Happy St. Patrick's Day.
The girls are going to teach you how to make green lime slime. So the first...
And yellow.
Oh, and yellow for a pot of gold, Charlotte's thought. That's awesome. So the first thing you're going to do is they're going to put in the Elmer's school glue. And it has to be
Like
the
this.
school glue. It
Like
works
this.
the best. So it's going to be like that. So we're going to put in, Charlotte's going to help her, 2 ounces.
Woldy, woldy.
Well, 2 to 4 ounces. Today we're just going to do 2 ounces. It's heavy. You
Dump.
buy in bulk.
Ah,
Okay,
looks like milk.
that's good. Now push it in.
I'm just gonna dump it. See, I know
Okay.
it's like.
That's okay.
Oh.
See, isn't that cool? I
It's
know.
like a gun.
Now you have to close it again. Push it down, Charlotte, so that it can fill in. Yeah. This is perfect little utensil thing I bought at Pampered Chef.
Close it.
Okay, that's awesome. It doesn't have to be precise. Obviously, we can work
Yeah.
around that.
Ooh.
Okay, and then next, Charlotte and Abigail are going to put 1 to 2 drops of liquid food coloring.
Wait. Where do I put this?
Just put it on the table. It's fine. So I would do 1 drop, stir it up, see, if it's the color you like. A little
It's
close.
not getting out.
Stir it into your glue. Stir it up. We should have some Bob Marley playing in the background. So if you want it darker, you can add more. Okay, and then the next ingredient they're going to add is 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
What do you like this?
And then stir it up. And that goes in. And then you could add glitter and things like that if you want. We're not going to do that today, but that's optional. And then we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of contact solution. But we're going to do this a little bit at a time because this is the activator.
Because if it sticks, like, if you goes like this.
Yeah, it can go real hard.
Yeah.
So Charlotte, you're just going to do a little bit of, and then stir it up, and then a little bit more. And for the activator, we use the contact solution. We use Renew, works the best. So those are 2 important things. And you want to keep on stirring it really well,
Like this.
because all of a sudden, if it goes too hard, you have to start all over. And then, so today they're going to make it lime slime. So they're going to add a couple drops of doTERRA lime essential oil. There we go. And you'll notice the more activator they put, the more it starts to
Collect all the glue and stuff from the slime stuff.
Yeah. Perfect.
And it gets way
Otherwise-
harder to stir. Can I just use my hand
Yeah,
instead?
as long as it's not sticking. And that's pretty much it. So the most important ingredients are the Elmer's school glue and the activator to be the
And you
renewed
don't
contact
need to use
solution.
the dryness.
And I'll post below the recipe for you. And I also add so this is not 100% non-toxic, but it's pretty close. But I also do have 100% all-natural slime recipe. It just that you can try as well,
It's
and I'll put that in
freezing.
the comments. So let's see your St. Paddy's Day lime slime.
Have fun making slime. It's like a hula hoop.
Okay, have a great day, everyone.